Good day. Today is September 20th, and today I'm going to replace the damaged part of the A post. I have a new one, and I did consider replacing the whole of the A post, but the top end is in pretty good condition, and rather than go through the heartache of trying to cut everything in, I've decided just to cut off the bad part and put the new part in, and we'll see how it goes. So hopefully later on you'll see the new part in. So that's all for this morning. Short video, very short. I wish the job would take this long, but ain't gonna happen. So everybody have a wonderful September day. Oh, it's the last day of summer tomorrow, I believe. Enjoy. Bye bye.